£50. Before it doesn't fall on my toolbox or on my feet. Alright, welcome to ToolSpecs. Today we're going to review the grip-on. This is a project that Gray Tool sent me to test in the review. Let's see what's in the box. So they come in a nice little carrying pouch. And throw around it to hold them all together. This set includes the 5-inch curved jaw, the 6-inch long nose plier, the 7-inch curved jaw with the wire cutter, the 10-inch curved jaw, and the 10-inch straight jaw. The nice orange body color is actually aircraft grade aluminum with an epoxy coating, which help improve rust resistance and also help against welding splatter. The jaws are drop forged to help increase strength and help against wear. The locking mechanism won't accidentally pinch your fingers. On the adjusting bolt, there is a nut that you can set so that if you do repetitive work, it's always set and locking at the right spot. But now, let's test the clamping force. No, let's find something else. First, let's grab those two 10-pound plates and see if we can squeeze them together with this curved jaw. That's the 10-inch. Just like so. And yeah, it's holding both plates, no problem. Now, let's see if we can actually lift a 50-pound plate with it. There we go. And now, the ultimate test. No problem. Now you might be wondering, am I squeezing the pliers together to make sure that they're actually staying closed? So let me try to just hold one side of the handle. No, it's hard to lift like this. All right, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, they're staying closed. Pass the test, in my opinion. Now, the only thing that I have to say against those pliers here is the 7-inch one, the curved jaw. Actually, in the center here, it's a little wire cutter. And I don't know. I don't know who would buy a pair of locking pliers to cut the wire. It doesn't work. So I'll show you. So I already did this here with it earlier, and it just kind of squeezed the wire, but let's do it again on camera just to show you. So you have to go all the way in. And there's not that much space. That cutter is really small. Let's see. Wire still stuck in there, and even after I take it out, the wire is not cut all the way. So it's not really working. And this is a really thin wire too. I think this is gauge 14 or something like that. So anyway, if you're hoping to be able to cut wire with your locking pliers, then that might not be the right tool for you. You might be able to get away with it if you're doing like house wire. It's just a solid piece of copper. It might cut those one. That's not that big selling point for me anyway. If that wasn't mentioned on the box, I would never even think about trying this. Now, if you're interested in the grip-on locking pliers set, you can go to your industrial supplier near you, or you can go to Gray Tool Canada. If you like this video and you're interested in seeing more tool test and review video, subscribe to ToolSpecs, and we'll see you in the next video.